Hey everybody, so this little guy right here is our resin mixer. This is a prototype, so it's going to look a little nicer than this, but it's a really cool concept that solves a huge pain point for all those resin crafters out there. So anybody who's played with resin arts knows that you have to mix two parts of your resin or epoxy, and you have to slowly stir it for 5 to 10 minutes. So again, a very tedious process and one that people really don't want to do. So we've created our resin mixer right here. It is created out of silicone, so the cup that it mixes in as well as the paddle itself is all silicone. The paddle unattaches, so it's going to be easy to clean. So you're just going to pour your resin right in here. You can pour up to 120 milliliters, which is the perfect size for, most of the resin art that is created, whether it's a tumbler or, a coaster and a mold or something like that. This is then going to slowly mix it for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can mix in colorants or any other additives at that time. And then when it's done, has a nice little pour spout. You're just going to be able to, pour it onto your project or into your mold, whatever it is. Other resin mixers on the market are usually just kind of repurposed electric whisks that actually froth up and add bubbles to your resin, so it's really not ideal. We've compared this to everything there is on the market, and this far and away outperforms. And you'll notice a lot of resin mixers, so-called resin mixers on the market, have 1 to 2 stars. They're just really not well received. So we're excited to offer this. It's kind of a first of its kind and really solves a huge problem. Tentative retail on this is $49.99, and it's going to be launching kind of in the third quarter of 2022.